Here's a classic problem. Children in a refugee camp are not enjoying school education. And you would like to see that they do enjoy good school education. With that idea in mind, you start thinking and talking to people to come up with a solution. You want to build a better school, buy books, hire volunteers. And yes, this may lead to happier kids. Yet, what happens if you use a little more imagination? Let's think again. What if you talk with camp leaders, local NGOs, parents, and even the children themselves? Ask them about their ideas and needs. With their consent, you go to the school inspection. You present the problem to the Ministry of Education, parliamentarians and opinion leaders. You enhance pressure and talk to national human rights institutions and UNICEF. Together, they all agree to find a solution. The ministry develops a plan and prepares special teams of teachers. And in temporary tents, they start teaching kids. Meanwhile, the parliament approves a budget for special education projects. And in the end, you reach your dream. The children are enjoying education. It looks simple, huh? Well, it's actually a very complex path. So how did it happen? Well, you started off with interacting and facilitating interaction between all kinds of stakeholders. This reinforces trust in the country's decision-making process. By doing so, you create solutions that are sustainable and scalable, addressing the issue in all kinds of comparable situations. This process is what we call advocacy and policy influencing. It's often complex, it involves politics rather than bypassing them, but it can yield a lot more results. To be successful, there are some necessary tools and skills. You need to develop and manage your network, cooperate with partners, deal with diverse stakeholders. You need to analyze the context and political processes, understand the power play and negotiate, to develop a strategy, and to plan your project. And you need to manage its implementation and make sure everyone is heard. In this way, you can contribute in a more sustainable way to change that really matters.